Actually, that demands our attention and investment. But what makes this growth remarkable? It's not just its scale. It's what it represents. A fundamental shift in how Filipinos in the world think about beauty. Today's consumers, locally and globally, are no longer seeking surface-level transformation. 79% of Filipino adults take the preventative approach to beauty, with beauty now synced with health at an operating system level. This isn't just about vanity, it's about wellness. And the beauty industry sits at the heart of the Philippines' emerging identity as a premier health and wellness destination. Let me be direct. The Philippine Department of Tourism views this sector not as a peripheral to health tourism, but central to it. The Philippine medical tourism market was valued at around $1.26 billion in 2024, growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 12.2% to reach about $3.98 billion by 2034. And within that ecosystem, cosmetic procedures, spa therapies, wellness treatments, and preventative beauty services are increasingly integrated into comprehensive health packages for our international visitors. What distinguishes us globally is authenticity. Modern consumers are showcasing increased interest in natural and culturally authentic beauty products, creating opportunities for brands to develop the products that celebrate Filipino heritage while meeting contemporary standards. This is where this sector intersects powerfully with our Filipino Brand of Wellness initiative, a national framework grounded on Filipino concept of ginhawa, which transcends just mere comfort. It speaks to well-being as a lived experience, rooted in our culture. The DOT is integrating traditional Filipino healing methods, such as hilot, with contemporary medical services, offering unique and holistic experiences. This industry, whether through cosmetic treatments, skincare innovation, or wellness services, participates in this vision every day. The government's commitment is very clear. We are investing in accreditation systems, quality assurance, integrated health tourism packages. We're streamlining visa processes and strengthening partnerships. But we cannot do this alone. Your role as industry leaders and purveyors, innovators, and stewards of Filipino excellence is irreplaceable.